For most of us, we're going to have to get into some level of debt in our lifetime. The most common example being when you take out a home loan to buy property. To get a really good deal or to get good terms on those loans or lines of credit that you're taking out, you need a good credit score. So on today's episode, we'll be talking about what a credit score is, what actually makes up a credit score, and why it's so important for you to not only know your credit score but also have a good credit score. So let's get into it. So your credit score is based on your credit report. It is a number that represents to lenders your credit worthiness. And most lenders in South Africa use the FICO score. And the FICO score is based on 5 things. Number 1 is based on your payment history, your credit utilization, your length of credit history, your new credit, as well as credit mix. So your credit score can range from 300 to 850. The higher your credit score is, the better, because the higher it is, the better interest rates that you're going to get, the more access to loans that you're going to get, and even access to larger amounts of loans, as well as better repayment terms, for example. So that's why it's very important to have a good credit score. It's also very important for you to know what your credit score is in general, so that when you go to your bank, for example, to apply for a loan, you know exactly where you stand and you know what that bank is saying when they evaluate your application. That way, if you have a good credit score and you apply for a loan and they give you, for example, a really bad interest rate, you can negotiate based on your credit score or your credit report. So that's why it's really important for you to know what a credit score is, and that is what a credit score is. So I really hope this video actually helps you to understand what a credit score is and why it's so important for you to not only understand it but also have a really good credit score for your own good. Until I see you on my next video, that's bye for now.